Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are diving into the world of AWS architecture. So we'll be drawing a three-tier architecture, breaking down each component and its role within the system. So let's jump right in. I'm learning with you guys, so it will be a learning experience for all of us. So I've started using draw.io for drawing my architectural diagrams, and it has a really good interface. These are the shapes that we can be using. So first we'll go ahead and take our AWS cloud because everything happens inside the cloud. Here is our cloud. By the way, what is a three-tier architecture? It just consists of three tiers, which is presentation tier, application tier, and data tier. So we'll be doing that. Inside the cloud, I would like to have a region that I'm concentrated on. So this is the region. Inside the region, I would install my VPC, which is a virtual private cloud. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now inside the VPC, we'll have high availability, so we'll do that. We'll have two of them. Let's do that. Okay, let's try to name US East West. Okay. And now we are having three tiers, so we'll try with subnets. We'll have 2 public subnets and 4 private subnets. So I'll explain why. Private. 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 It's a little hard to navigate with these, but you'll get a hang of it. Just have to hold it from the top left corner. That's the key. That's when it gets activated. Okay. That's what I'm trying to do. Okay, so 4 of the private subnets and 2 public subnets. Just copy paste. Perfect. So now the public subnets I have so that we can have the presentation layer on public subnets. It doesn't need to be having that much of security, so we'll put it as our presentation layer. So let me just that dividend so we understand that. Presentation. Let's try. Nope. Let's try and put it outside. Let's try to make it a little bit smaller. Actually, let's take a small text. We'll say it as annotation layer. And we'll make it round. Then we can add it here. Outside. Outside would be good. Okay. Then again, it is application layer. Round. Then again, database layer. Here, this is what is a little bit tricky. We'll do it. Perfect. Now let's put our EC2 instances. Let's put EC2 instances in one in public subnet, one in the other one. Private subnet also gets an EC2 instance for the application. And then, we'll have RDS for the database layer. Copy paste. Perfect. Now let's put our EC2s in autoscaling. Because I like to have my EC2s under autoscaling so I don't have to worry about them scaling. So that's that. So we're gonna be in autoscaling, and then for more safety and better balancing, we'll use a load balancer, which will be an application load balancer for both subnets. 1 and 2. Okay. And what else? We need an internet gateway so that our VPC can be having an internet connection. Let's add that. And then we can also have a bastion host. Ooh. Well, we can have it on the public subnet. It's not available in this, I guess. And then we can have the user. The user can be here. And let's, yeah. Oh, not perfect, because internet gateway uses, and then it's connected to the Load balancer, perfect. Load balancer connects to the auto scaling. Load balancer actually connects to, let's say it connects to subnets. Ooh. Exactly. Not here, but the other one. Now let's just try and connect to this. Oops. Not perfect, but it is what it is. And then, okay, this also connects to the other group. Perfect. The auto scaling is connected, and then these two are connecting to yeah. It's a little bit hard. Okay. And then these RDS connected to each other. Perfect. So this is how the connections will be. It can be better, but this is how it looks. Presentation layer, application layer, database layer, and there's our internet gateway, auto scaling group, load balancers, 2 public subnets, 4 private subnets, which have application layer and database layer. Amazon RDS is the database, and private subnets can have application on EC2 running, and public subnet is just the presentation layer. We can have a GUI interface running. So this is my version of a 3-tier architecture. Let me know in comments if you like something